Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming requirements: Face ID hardware, an updated iOS, and your Apple ID Plus passcode. Once that's confirmed, go to Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. Now make sure attention-aware features are set as you prefer, and toggle the switches for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, and password auto-fill so the system will allow Face ID functions after you re-enable it. You will now reset and re-register your face. Tap Reset Face ID to clear previous data, then tap Set up Face ID. Position your face inside the frame and follow prompts. You'll perform 2 face scans by slowly rotating your head in a circular motion. Make sure lighting is even and remove sunglasses if they block eyes. Once both scans complete, Face ID data is saved to the secure enclave. This is why you must use your passcode to authorize changes. Finish by testing iPhone Unlock and other services that use Face ID. If it doesn't work, first restart your iPhone and try the setup again. Temporary software glitches often resolve with a reboot. Make sure no case or screen protector blocks the true depth camera and clean the sensor area. If problems persist, update iOS, try resetting all settings, and then contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.